In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Salesforce. We will walk through each step of the process, so whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, you'll be crafting professional email campaigns with ease. Let's jump in. First, you'll want to make sure you're on your Salesforce homepage, which will serve as the starting point for our journey today. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already, ensuring that your environment is set up just the way you like it. Next, locate the app launcher at the top of the page, which is essential for navigating Salesforce's various features. Clicking on the app launcher will open a menu where you can access all your apps in one place. The app launcher is not just a hub for convenience, but a vital tool for efficiently managing your tasks in Salesforce. Once the app launcher is open, look for the Campaigns app, and Campaigns are where you'll manage all your marketing efforts, and it's crucial to partner with Salesforce to track your outreach efficiently. By clicking on Campaigns, you enter a specialized area where you'll create and manage your email campaigns. After opening the Campaigns section, you'll need to choose a specific campaign. If you're working on a new campaign, you might have to create one, but today we'll focus on selecting an existing one to streamline your workflow. Selecting a campaign will set the stage for the communications you'll be sending out. With your campaign selected, it's time to explore more actions. Click on Show More Actions to reveal additional options that optimize your campaign. This step is where you start refining your approach. The mastery of these details is what makes a campaign go from good to great. Now it's time to delve into the specifics of sending emails by selecting Send Email. This action opens up the actual editor, allowing you to input your message and make it as compelling and personalized as possible. You'll come to a stage where you need to input your subject and message. This is the heart of your email, where content truly counts. Craft your subject to grab attention and ensure your message resonates with your audience. The aim is to provide value and inspiration to those who get your email. Before anything is sent out, click on Preview and Send. This feature lets you see exactly what recipients will be seeing, allowing you to proofread, check your layout, and ensure everything looks perfect before launch. Select a recipient to preview. This extra step ensures that your email is tailored appropriately, checking any personalized elements to verify that everything aligns with the intended recipient's details. Find the Send options, which give you control over precisely when and how emails are dispatched. Timing can be crucial in email marketing, so utilize these options to ensure your message reaches recipients at the optimal time. Finally, when everything's set and you're happy with your preview, go ahead and click Send. By this step, you've set up a professional email campaign ready to engage its audience. Congratulations on completing an essential Salesforce task that will help you connect more effectively and efficiently.